And welcome back to the shop. I am the Spirited Maker, and today I'm going to be reviewing this Ryobi detail sander I just bought. I'm in need of sanding in some very difficult spots, so we're gonna give it a try, see if I like it or not. It was the smallest one I could find, and hopefully I can get into some really tight corners with it. So we're gonna try it. We'll see how it turns out. All right, let's see. It comes with the sander. It says it vibrates at 13,000 operations a minute for a 3mm sanding arc. It also comes with a variety pack of sandpaper to put on it. And I went out and bought some Diablo ones as well because I like the Diablo brand sanding pads. So we're gonna slap one on and give it a try. See how that works. Okay, we got the sanding disc on. I went with the 40 grit to start out. It peels and sticks on. So we're gonna try a sand inside this little box here, see if we can get into the corners. Here we go. Nice. It's making a lot of sawdust in there. Definitely able to get in the places I couldn't before. I like the size of it. It's small. It doesn't vibrate your hands real bad, and yeah, allows me to reach into places I couldn't before to get some sanding done. So I like it. I think it's a valuable addition to the shop. We'll see how it works long term, but as for now, I give it a thumbs up. And I hope that if you like this video that you would consider subscribing. And as always, thank you and God bless. Catch you later.